or you can say all factors of production. Factors of production. So this is the definition of long run. See, please compare please compare both these definition. It refers to a period in which output can be changed by changing only variable factor. Only variable factors and fixed factors like machinery, building, plant, etc. cannot be changed. According to this definition means fixed factor means output will not change. In short run, output will not change by fixed factor. Output will not change by fixed factors, but in short run output will affect by, or you can say output is affected by, you can say like this, in short run output is affected by change in variable factors only, change in variable factors only, but output is not affected by change in fixed factor, change in fixed factors, because you know that in short run fixed factors remains constant. See, in long run it refers to a period in which output can be changed. Output can be changed by changing all variable factors and fixed factor. It means in long run, long run uh, in long run variable factors as well as fixed factors means are variable, means variable factors and fixed factors are variable in the long run. Variable means, you can say variable means flexibility, means which is changeable, which is changeable. See, now after this we will discuss, so in short run output can be changed by changing only variable factor, but in short run output can be changed by changing in variable factors as well as fixed factors. So I hope all of you have understood. After this we will discuss difference between short run and long run. Please pause the video and note down this. See next topic. Difference between short run and long run. First of all, write basis here, then after short run, then here long run. See, basis means first of all we will differentiate between short run and long run on the basis of meaning. See, it refers to a period in which output can be changed by changing only variable factors. Variable factors. It refers to a period. It refers to a period in which output can be changed by changing all factors of production. All factors of production. All factors of production means variable factors and fixed factors. See after this, classification. Classification. Now factors are classified as variable and fixed factors in the short run. In the short run. But here all factors are variable in the long run. See, in short run variable factors means in short run only variable factors can change, but fixed factor remains constant. But in long run variable and fixed factors means both can be changed. After this, price determination. Price determination. See, demand is more active. Demand is more active than supply. To determine price in the market. What does it mean? It means that demand plays an important role. Demand plays an important role to determine price in the market as compared to supply. But in long run, both demand and supply play equal role in the determination of price. In the determination of price in the market. So I hope all of you have understood means difference between short run and long run. See, after this, now all of you have understood this point. All of you have understood means this basis and this basis. But see, please try to understand this difference. See, demand is more active than supply to determine price in the market. It means that demand plays an important role to determine market price. Demand plays an important role to determine market price as compared to supply. What does it mean? It means that supply cannot be increased. It means in short run you can increase demand up to an unlimited way. You can say up to an unlimited way. But in short run there is a limitation of supply. There is a limitation of you can say there is a limitation of increased supply. But see, it means demand is more active than supply to determine price in the market. It means that supply cannot increase immediately. With increase in demand. In short run. It means that demand can be increased up to an unlimited way, but supply cannot be increased up to an unlimited because fixed factor remains constant, and means there is limitation of supply in short run, but there is no limitation of demand in short run. So I hope all of you have understood means difference between short run and long run. After this, short run classified factors as variable and fixed factor. After this, we will discuss what do you mean by variable factor, what do you mean by fixed factor. Please pause the video and note down this. See, after this, variable factors. Variable factors refer to those factors which can be changed, which can be changed in the short run, in the short run. For example, raw material, casual labor, power fuel, etc. Power fuel means electricity, petrol, raw material, casual labor, power fuel. See fixed factors. Fixed factors refer to those factors which cannot be changed in the short run. In the short run. For example, plant and machinery, land building, etc. So this is the definition of variable factors. Variable factors refer to those factors which can be changed in the short run. For example, raw material, casual labor, power fuel. Power fuel means electricity type. Now after this, fixed factor. Fixed factors refer to those factors which cannot be changed in the short run. For example, plant and machinery, land, building, etc. Means these factors cannot be changed in short run, and these factors can be changed in short run. So after this we will discuss difference between variable factors and fixed factors. So please pause the video, note down this.